What do you need at pickup in Hertz? Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, you will need a driver's license. As it's written, you must present all the following: a valid United States or foreign country issued driver's license, and you will also need a credit card or debit card. Also, debit card, some of them are restricted. As you can see, to qualify to rent the Hertz vehicle, the renter must present at the time of rent a current driver's license and a major valid credit card or debit card. And also see debit card uses below in the renter's own name with available credit. And at the time of rental, an authorization will be secured on the credit or debit card provided to cover the estimated rental charges and any additional charges that may be incurred. And this is what you need at pickup in Hertz. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. If you have a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.